Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode, guys. This one is a $2,000 sneaker mystery box from Solsteel, so you guys should know that this is gonna be a banger box, because if you guys watched that tier list video I did of mystery boxes, then you guys should know that Solsteel's was on the A tier, which on that video was the highest tier, so it should be a great box. So I'll be opening that up real quick, but before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Manscaped.com. I've been a huge fan of Manscaped and their men's grooming products, and I'm super happy to announce that they actually have a new collection coming out called the Crop Care Kit. This new bundle includes all of these amazing products to keep your downstairs feeling and smelling fresh, guys. But probably the coolest thing from the Crop Care Kit is they actually give you a free gift when you guys use the link in the description below, or go to www.manscaped.com/Hawaii. And that free gift is right over here. This is the foot duster. Now, I'm sure most of you guys watching behind the camera are sneakerheads, because it's mainly sneaker content on this channel. So the foot duster is honestly like probably the biggest thing for you guys, because it is a foot deodorant. And trust me guys, when you guys are wearing sneakers all the time, after you take those things off, you'd want the foot deodorant to make your feet smelling better, because trust, if you're in a shoe all day, it does not smell good at the end of the day. So Manscaped's got you covered with the foot duster. And this thing is completely free when you guys get the Crop Care Kit, so I highly recommend you guys check it out. When you guys use that link in the description below, or head to www.manscaped.com/Hawaii, you will get 20% off your order, and you will get this for free when you guys get the Crop Care Kit. Check it out, it is all linked in the description below. Okay, so I think we can get into this mystery box now. $2,000, it should be a banger. Let's see what we got. About time we finally open up a huge beater box again. Most of the stuff we've been getting is like in a smaller box, so this is cool to see. We're gonna have a lot of shoes in here. First things first, I'll grab this one because this looks like the smallest box. Everything does have a box in here, which is good too. This one is a Jordan 4 in a size 5.5 wide. And for the shoe that we have, oh man, literally one of the most classic shoes on the market, and this is one of my favorite shoes of all time. It is in a youth size, so it is a little bit different than the men's. The materials and stuff on here are honestly not as high quality as the men's sneakers, but I mean, that's why it's a kid sneaker. You guys can tell on the aglets and stuff over here that it's just not as high quality as the men's, but that's okay. There isn't any toe box creasing over here, and the bottoms look completely fine. So a dead stock sneaker, that's a great way to start off the box. Really good shoe over here too. And also, if you guys do want to cop any of the shoes that you guys see in this box, head over to untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes that I don't end up keeping from the boxes end up on that website, and you guys probably want to get there quick because a lot of these sell out really fast. So check it out if you guys are interested in any of the shoes in this box. All right, next shoe up, we have this one right here. This is another kid size Jordan. This is a Jordan 3 though, in a size 4 wide. Interesting. I don't know what this sneaker is actually. I think this one is dead stock too, and it looks to be kind of older. 2007, yeah, so really old pair, but a Jordan 3, and this is actually not too bad at all, guys. All black sneaker Jordan 3. Looks pretty solid to me. I believe that this one is also dead stock, just because again, if we look on the toe box, there's nothing like over here for like creasing. Uppers don't look like they have any scratches or anything, and on the bottoms I also don't see any star loss or dirt or anything. So I do think that this one is also dead stock. It just might look a little bit off because it is from 2007, so you know, normal wear and tear from just being stored for 13 years. Makes sense, man. 13 years, that's a really long time, but still wearable and a really nice shoe, so this is a good one to see too. And I just realized I probably should have mentioned this at the start of the video, but if you guys did not enter the dream shoe giveaway, you guys actually have like one more day. So if you guys did not enter yet, you guys can enter. Super easy to do. That is also linked in the description below. But basically all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow my new business at High Connect Studios on Instagram. So yeah, you don't need to follow Untied Hawaii for this one. It is in collaboration with my new business, High Connect Studios. And then lastly, go to this video over here and comment what your dream shoe is, your sneaker size, and also your IG handle, so we know you're following over there. And you guys might win a $750 pair of your dream sneakers. So go ahead and do that. Super easy to enter. I want to check out this one next, because this is a different kind of box. I believe that these are Jordan 3s, yeah, Jordan 3s in a size 10.5, and it has one of those mouth boxes. That's what I call these things when they have this flap open, so not a good box. Damage a lid, but that's okay. But for the shoe, we have a pair of the Tinker Hatfield 3s. This one is interesting, and I feel like interesting. Oh wait, is this really how this one looks? Okay, this is strange. I have never seen these shoes in person before, but I feel like we're actually missing like a Nike swoosh or something. Can you guys help me out with this? Because I really don't know. When you guys look at it up close, this is what I'm talking about. It does look like there's supposed to be like a Velcro swoosh over here, but I don't see it in the box. I think that this one might be a dead stock pair as well, which is kind of crazy. But the only problem is that I do not see that extra like Velcro swooshing here. There's laces in here. We have like a StockX tag in here, but if they're supposed to be like adjustable swoosh or something on here, it's not here. So that is the only downside of this pair, but other than that, it does look pretty good. We have like 3 shoes left in here, guys. This one is a Jordan 1. Nice, Jordan 1 in a size 11. Size 11, my size. What do we have? Yo! Okay, okay. Dang, dude. I think this is a 2001 model too. Is it 2001? 2001 Jordan 1 bread, or the bands, whatever you guys want to call it. This thing is legendary, man. You guys know what it is. Jordan 1 bands, probably the most iconic Jordan 1, and honestly like one of my favorites of all time. This one is from 2001, so a lot older, but I mean the condition of this thing is still really nice, and Jordan 1s are tanks, so it's not even like you can't wear it. It's definitely still wearable. The leather quality from the 2001 model isn't the greatest. You guys can kind of tell it's pretty stiff on the back, but again, it's also a 20-year-old shoe now, so you can't expect like the best materials and stuff from back then. This should fetch a bunch of money if I wanted to resell it. I'm not sure if I want to or not though. I actually do have a pair of the regular 2016 Jordan 1 bands back there, so I'm not sure if I want to keep this one, but man, it's really hard to let these things go, and you don't see these models very often, so we'll see what I do with this one. This thing is wild. Okay, now I'm feeling really good about the box. So 2 more boxes in here, and this one right here is a size 11.5, and it is a Nike Sacai, and oof, okay, a little bit dirty on these, but this is a nice shoe to see as well. I believe that these are called the Green Gustos, and I was never a huge fan of this just because I'm not liking like the see-through materials. It just really throws me off for like the see-through stuff. I don't really like that, but the shoe itself and the design and the colors, really like it a lot. Colors are actually very reminiscent of my favorite football team, the Packers. So I always had like a thing for the shoe. It's just, I don't know, I can't do like this mesh looking material. It's too weird, but they still fetch really high resale value. I think at least a couple $100, so very good over here. Okay, and so for the last sneaker in the box, I kind of have to guess that there's 2 sneakers left, not 1, because over here we actually have a pack, and I know what this pack is because I have this pack, and I'm super excited to show you guys this because this is a rare pack. It's also in a size 10.5, which is crazy, so I could actually keep these shoes if I want to, and I might have to double up on this because these are rare sneakers. Pull this open over here. What the heck? Okay, now I'm confused. This is strange. I'm literally like taken back right now. I was hyping up this pack, and now I'm very confused because inside of the pack there's actually a Nike SB box, which this is not supposed to be part of the pack. This pack right here is supposed to have this sneaker right here, obviously one of the greatest shoes of all time, the Atmos Air Max 1s. Very nice shoe. I love this shoe a lot, probably like in my top 5 sneakers of all time. But this is the Jordan collaboration one, so it's really special. It only came in this pack, and I'll show you guys the differences real quick. So everything on this shoe is the same as the original Nike Air Max 1. Definitely still has that nice turquoise swoosh over here and that elephant print running over the top, but the main difference is when you guys look at the bottom. For this one, it does have a Jumpman logo like inside of that sole, so you guys can see that. So yeah, just a really nice shoe overall, and this one is in really good condition as well. I might have to keep this just to double up because man, you can't go wrong with this pair. This is literally one of the greatest shoes of all time. What's confusing though is that the other shoe in here is supposed to be a Jordan 3. It might be still, but I don't know why it would be in a Nike SB box. So I'm gonna take this out over here. What the heck? This is so confusing. This is not what I was expecting at all. This is actually kind of depressing because this is not the Jordan 3. This is the Jordan collaboration with Nike SB, and it's not the greatest condition for this one. It looks pretty worn. You guys can check this one out up close. Very strange that this was in the pack box, but I can't complain. Still a pretty decent sneaker, but it definitely is very worn. But yeah, I can show you guys actually what the real shoe is supposed to be in this pack, and that Jordan 3 is right over here. So this is what the shoe is supposed to be in the pack. A Jordan 3 model that is specific to this pack, and you guys can't get this shoe without having the pack. So it wasn't sold like individually. Very rare, just not super hyped for a lot of people. So that's what's supposed to be in the box, but instead we got that Nike SB. So that was a really interesting way to end the box, man. I was super hyped over seeing that pack, and then that pack kind of threw us for a loop, but still some very strong sneakers in this box. And as always, like I say, Soul Steals does have the best boxes. So I'm assuming that the calculations and stuff that you guys saw on the screen, it does show that we have a lot of resale value on these things. So it's overall a good box for sure, which is why I highly recommend Soul Supremacy and Soul Steal boxes, just because they're the originators of the beater box, guys. Like, they know how to make the boxes, they know how to make the best prices, and give you guys like the best mix of like not only like beater shoes and like dead stock shoes, but shoes that you can actually sell, like, you know, in a timely manner. 2 of my all-time favorite shoes of all time in this box. You can't go wrong. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It goes a long way in helping the channel, guys. Also, don't forget to check out the sponsor of today's episode, Manscaped. It is linked in the description. If you guys go to www.manscaped.com/Hawaii, you guys will get 20% off your order, and I highly recommend getting that crop care kit. Very good stuff in there, and you guys get that free gift, the foot duster. So it's a good cop in my opinion. But that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot.